up guys? This is on my phone now because I haven't charged my camera. But anyway, so I haven't shown you my setup because I obviously don't want to shut up. But like, since I'm selling, it's going now, so I'm gonna show you. So this is my setup. You know, we have 2 monitors, so I stream my nice. You want view? Let's go. So yeah, this is a PC, and yeah, I'm gonna go to the shop and get a whole new build. See you later. Yo, what up, guys? We're back, boys. Oh, hang on, just put the screen a bit up. Lol. It's on the table right now because you know it's on the table right now. I made a tool, but yeah. So what we got right now? So yeah, basically, we're gonna be building my new build. Also got a new monitor that does 240 hertz. Now I can build Avi, bro. What are you talking about, Avi? Yeah, Avi, you piece of shit, yeah, bro. I could beat that kid, bro. I'm telling you. Anyways, I wanna build it. So yeah, enjoy the show. What up, guys? So yo, no. Hope you guys are having a chilling day, bro. So today, obviously you're building a new PC, bro. So okay, let us set this mic. Anyway, so yeah, let's do this, boy. You know, we got the motherboard out. You know, obviously make sure you have your static equipment, which is somewhere here. Was here, right there. Don't have any multiple camera angles. Not that guy. I mean, famous guy. Yeah. Anyway, so most of the first thing is CPU, obviously. So it's a core. So today we've got a Core i7 A100K, boy. Now we're gonna go for 900K, but nah, it's too expensive, bro. And nobody had any Ryzen 7 available, so like, damn, what's the point then? Look at that, boy. Read it. Game on focus, okay. Anyways, let's keep the board a little bit here, you know. So and actually this is the camera near, you know, it's here. Acha. We took over the hinge. You get the nice, wow. Bro, actually the CPU's size decreased, bro. It's smaller now. Maybe it's not. No, I think the metal thing looks smaller. I don't know. Because I know you can. Okay, now you have to find the edge. Yeah, find the edge corner. And like that. See? And then we just have to and oh and boom, boy. Super sweet. We got Vengeance. I mean, we got Corsair LPX, Vengeance LPX. This is the most cringiest PC build ever. That's because I don't have a cameraman to do the awesome shit. Make sure that you don't do the mistake like the Verge, otherwise you will be destroyed by the tech community. I'm telling you. What and my community will destroy you. They'll embarrass you. I mean, the reason the Verge got so much criticism was because of the that they were a big company and they messed up. So that's why they got so much criticism, because they had they're a big company, so they must have lots of producers, lots of managers. You know what I'm saying? So how can I let something like this come out on public forum? But screening and checking. Yeah, is this RGB? No, it's not RGB. Right. Anyways, so what's next?
चलो खाना खाओ जल्दी आ जाओ चलो
Now I'm gonna put in. Bro, this is so confusing. Oh, I see it now. I see it.
चलो भाई
Okay, that's in. Now the pad goes in.
Is it actually rainbow colored?
Be quiet, man.
Also got a new monitor?
What up, guys? So I'm back from my break. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. So I'm trying to get some. Oh shit, no, don't get me. Copyright claimed. Oh god, this is such a bad. Let's bring the camera close now. So, just bring it down, bro. Bring it down, bro. Bring it down, yeah. Why not think in the first place, bud? Let me just cut this big zip tie that I added. Wait, why did you put a zip tie? What's wrong with the Corsair? Son of a guns. Oh! Hello. Okay, are you gonna hear me? Hello, okay. Whew. Man. Put the phone on the table actually. So right, I'm exhausted now. Really, I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it now. I don't know what's wrong, mate. Anyways, otherwise I'm gonna have to get my Swiss Army knife. Yeah. Is it regular? I think it's a pacifier my other PC was important. What up, guys? So we're back. Yep, we're back. Yep, we're back. Wait. So things for ATX, because most dudes have ATX, bro. Ugh. So 24 when it comes, yeah. Guess I was gonna go here. Make sure it's keying correctly. Otherwise, yo, what up, guys? I'm back. It's the next day. You know, it's been a secure. God, it's been so tiring, you know. Anyway, done some adjustments. And as I said, something nobody wants to watch. Don't want to lose viewers in the middle of the video, bro. Flying colors. Yes. What up? Yeah? Got a nice view of it? Let's go. Okay, anyways, so, you know, I'm gonna install the fans now. So let's do that. Look very clean. You don't know, I have nothing will fit in. Now I'm gonna tie it up down and do the same for the other fan. So I'm gonna stop from there. Done. Basically. Anyway, I'm gonna put the CPU now. Zoom in. Yeah. Now let's put the CPU in, the CPU cooler in. So let's do that. got so much cables, bro. Alright guys, so I've done most of the things. Now what's left? You guys can decide. Anyway, so we're just gonna, you know, pull all the, hide the cables, you know. Oh, that wasn't that smooth. Oh, come on. I've got 2080, boy. Not 2070, but 2080. Now, 20 Super was on stock and I mean, 20 Super is not that much of a difference. Basically, it's a locked down 2080 Ti. So, yeah. Actually, not. Plug and ground. Okay, I'm gonna just open the clip. I didn't open the clip yet. Okay, now it's open. And should this fit in? Oh yes, one is fit. Put the screws back on. Remove the long screw. I mean the long screw rather. What's my cat doing? Alright. Really? Alright. Dun, 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 dun. Yo, what up guys, so I just did the cable management stuff on the back. Now I'm gonna put the case on. And yeah, and I'm back to my camera mic because you know, I'm not gonna go far away anymore. So yeah. Yeah. Just put it on. It's in, boys, it's in. Yo, let's go. Put the nice screws on back. So yeah. Then let's squish if it opens. Yo guys, I just realized this is the monitor that cost $1,000. Like it is that one, like it has the light, you know the one, yeah, the hologram thing. This is that one. God, what am I doing? That means I've got like a advantage against. Basically, I have the most expensive monitor the Pakistan streams will have. We'll see. I mean, I don't know. I mean, Alvi has a different one. Whatever. Anyways, peace. What up, guys? So we got the monitor, boy. We got lighting, yeah. So the monitor is here. It looks sick, bro. It is the X248Q, the most expensive monitor you have to buy. The best, basically, it's the best 240 Hz monitor out on the market. Oh my god. Oh. That's amazing. By the way, I changed my clothes because I just came in from Friday's Friday prayer thing. And let's peel off the thing, yeah? Let's peel off. Ready? Oh, feels good. Oh. Let's peel the front side. Wow, you're sick. Yo, what up guys? It's Monday. So basically, well, the card was faulty. It's getting green garbage on screen. Okay, anyway, so yeah. So you got it, another replacement. And you install the PC and then boot up. Alright guys, so let's see if it powers on. It boots with no issues. And it's powered on. Oh yeah, I forgot to put the power switch on. Okay. Yay! Let's see how it boots though. Should boot. Yes, it boots into Windows. Yes, it's in Windows now. Why is it so? That's weird. Anyways, it's too much glare on the camera. And yes, let's go now. I mean, let's do the work there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a long process. It's not my fault the card was faulty. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Share, like, subscribe, and I'll be back pro gaming. Pro game again. See you in another.